In this question, it is given that let A be a 3 by 3 matrix such that determinant of adjoint A is equal to 12 to the power 4. Then determinant of A inverse into adjoint A is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. Before I do this question, remember this formula that determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant A to the power n minus 1, where n is the order of the matrix A. And in present case, because A is 3 by 3 matrix, hence I can say adjoint A, this is equal to determinant A to the power 2. And keeping this formula in mind and to proceed further, I can suppose this matrix as B, and I will get determinant of adjoint B will be equal to 12 to the power 4. And because A is 3 by 3, hence adjoint A will be 3 by 3 matrix. And because this is 3 by 3, this will also be 3 by 3 matrix. And therefore, because B is 3 by 3 matrix, I can say this is determinant of B to the power 2 is equal to 12 to the power 4. And now writing back the value of B, that is adjoint of adjoint A whole square equal to 12 to the power 4. That is, I get determinant of adjoint A to the power 2 whole to the power 2 is equal to 12 to the power 4. And this means determinant of adjoint A whole to the power 4 is equal to 12 to the power 4. Similarly, again using the same formula, determinant A to the power 2 whole to the power 4 is 12 to the power 4. Determinant A to the power 8 is 12 to the power 4. That is, determinant A is equal to plus minus under root 12. Note that this is not modulus. This bar is denoting determinant. And we know that determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. And using this formula, this can be written as determinant of A inverse into determinant of adjoint A. And we know that this is same as determinant A to the power minus 1 into determinant A to the power 2. That is, I get determinant A. And I had already concluded that determinant A is plus minus root 12, that is plus minus 2 root 3. Hence the answer is plus minus 2 root 3. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice. Just for knowledge, I am telling you that determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. You must have studied this formula. But note that for this formula to be valid, A and B both must be square matrix of same order. Because if by chance A is 3 by 2 matrix, B is 2 by 3 matrix, then AB will be 3 by 3 matrix and determinant of AB will be possible to find. But in this case, this will be undefined, this will be undefined, because determinant can be found only of a square matrix. Therefore, if A and B are not square matrices of same order, in that case, this formula will not be true. This thing I have told just for knowledge.